Hello everyone, start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side and tie it up at the back. At the bottom, make about 5 sections, add a rubber band in the middle of each of these sections and roll each of these sections in on themselves. After you've rolled them in on itself, pull it through the top section as such. Join all of the hair together at the bottom, make a braid out of it and pin it up using a bobby pin. In the side, make another braid and roll it upwards, once again pin it up using a bobby pin. Twirl it, that is, twirl the ends and then pin it in place. Next, gather all of the hair together, make a low ponytail out of the hair, divide this ponytail into multiple sections, and pull each of these sections through the top scalp as such. Now begin to make a braid out of it, and as you progress with the braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it. Roll up this braid and then pin it up in place as such. Add decorative bows all around. Make 2 braids out of the hair and then pull one braid through the other. Tie a knot in the middle, add a rubber band to it, roll it upwards, and then pin it up in place using a bobby pin. Do this for both of the braids as such. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, then take a small section of this ponytail and then make a braid out of it on the left and the right side. Tie it up together and then in the middle, take a small piece of hair and then push it through the center as such. Repeat this step until you reach the bottom. Next, take the top section of the hair, add a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself as such, and then in the middle, add another rubber band section to it. Pull it through the top at the bottom, make a ponytail, make a braid out of it, roll this braid upwards, add a decorative pin to it as such. At the top, fold the rest of the hair inwards, make it into a bun. Next, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair and then add a hair stick through this ponytail. Divide the ponytail into 2 parts and then wrap this around the hair stick as such. Take sections from either side of it and then make it meet in the center as such. Roll everything upwards and then pin it up in place. Start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side and tie it up at the back. Make 2 ponytails at the bottom and then, taking each of the ponytails, pull it through the top section as such. Next, join them at the bottom and then roll them upwards, pin it in place and then add a hair stick at the back. Next, we will start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, and then do not pull it all the way through. Pin it up in place using this kind of a clip. Now, begin to make a braid, and then as you progress with this braid, include sections of the hair from the section that you have initially created. Do this on either side and join it in the center. Make 2 ponytails and then make these ponytails into a bun as such. Pull a hair stick through both of these, add a rubber band at the bottom, add a rubber band in the middle section of this, roll it upwards into a bun, and then pin it up in place using a bobby pin. Next, we will start off by leaving 2 sections of the hair in the front, then take a matchstick and then, taking the 2 sections you have created, make them crisscross right behind the matchstick as such. Wrap this around the ponytail that you have created. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, divide this ponytail into 2 parts, and then make a fishtail braid out of it. Lift it up and then tie it up at the base as such. Add a rubber band at the bottom, roll the hair in on itself, wrap this around the bun, and then tie up the excess amount of hair that is left over. Pin it up in place. Next, we will start off by gathering all of the hair together, wrap it around your hand, and then make it into a bun. Now, roll it upwards, and then, using bobby pins, pin it up in place as such, use a decorative multiple prong pin, and then fasten it at the top. Take the top section of the hair and tie a rubber band to it at the back. Divide this into 2 parts, roll each of these sections in on themselves after adding a rubber band in the middle, and then pull it through the top as such. Now, using a hair stick, push it right through the center. Next, gather the hair together, use a hair stick, twist the hair around this, and then fasten it in place. Push the hair stick through as such. Thank you for watching.